Hello everyone, my name is Justin Kutu. I'm the president of R&D Technologies, and it's my pleasure today to take you through a walkthrough of our exciting additive manufacturing company. Come take a walk with me. We're at Quonset Development right now. We're fortunate enough to have a state-of-the-art facility where we can have our open houses, bring our customers in and do tours and bring them through our facility. Hi Sue, how's everything going? So we're going to take you through a walkthrough where we have the capability of being able to have you come in and sit down at our private conference room. In here is where we do our open houses, where we're able to do lunch and learns and do breakfast for companies that have interest in coming in and learning a little bit more about additive manufacturing. And if so, we can come on outside here. You'll see we have a beautiful courtyard that we're able to come down and do our Oktoberfest. From here, I'd like to take you over to our other facility at 60 Romano, right across the street, where our additive manufacturing machines are there, giving you a bird's eye view and an inside look at how these additive manufacturing machines work from Stratasys. Well, hello again. We're over here at our other facility where we have all of our Stratasys machines here on display, here for you to see. I'd like to take you for a quick walkthrough, introduce you to a few people. Come take a walk with me. Welcome to R&D Technologies. Come on in. Let me introduce you to our engineering team. This is our engineering manager, Matt Maloney, and our applications engineer, Colin Mulvey. And I'd like to introduce you to the vice president of R&D Technologies. This is Jordan Novak.
Yes, I can guarantee that no one in New England has more capabilities than R&D Technologies. With our service bureau, we can handle all your service needs. Whether you're sending us your own 3D part or we're designing one for you from the ground up, we have you covered. We print in all Stratasys materials from A to Z. We also can print large format in our state-of-the-art Fortus 900, which has a 36 by 24 by 36 build tray, so there's not much in the large printing format we can't handle.
Thanks, Jordan. Now I'd like to introduce you to our New England sales team. This is Alex Brown and Charles Havens. These gentlemen have years of experience in additive manufacturing. They've been working with all kinds of industries, from medical device to aerospace and consumer products. I'd like to introduce you to Charlie, talk to you a little bit about what's going on out in the field.
Hey, thanks, Justin. So a little bit about what Alex and I get a chance to see in the field with R&D Technologies. As a New England-based Stratasys partner, we get a chance to walk the floors, see what's going on with medical devices. There's fixtures. There's always going to be manufacturing here in the New England area. Some of it dates back centuries. So we're helping them build a footprint to grow not only for today's world, but for the future. Alex, what do you see?
So especially with me working in the greater Boston area, we have a ton of consumer product development companies, and they really get a lot of utilization out of using our PolyJet technology for a simple, fast, all-in-one prototyping solution for all their design validation phases.
I'd like to introduce you to our service team now. This is Chris Richter, our technical manager. Hi, Chris.
How you doing? So I'm here to help you guys with your pre-installation tasks, so we can discuss electrical requirements, material handling. I also coordinate the delivery and installation of your printer. And should any issues arise after the install, we're here to help you via phone and email support. We can get pictures of your prints and make recommendations, depending on what types of issues you're having. We can also gather log files from the printer to help us diagnose what might be happening. All printers come with a 1-year warranty, and I guess with that I'll hand it off to Bennett. He can talk a little bit more about our service visits.
Thanks, Chris. Real good. Bennett Neglino is another one of our service technicians here at R&D Technologies. Bennett, I'd like to add something.
Hey guys, how are you? I just help Chris with, everything that he just mentioned, from service visits to preventive maintenance visits. I'm actually doing my schedule right now for this week. We've recently started going back to customer sites, and we know that with the pandemic going on, this can be a little bit tricky. So R&D Technologies, Chris and I, we're here to help you coordinate, schedule, make sure everyone's safe. Obviously, we're wearing protective equipment and all that good stuff, so yeah.
Now follow me. I'd like to take you for a virtual walk of our additive manufacturing center, where we are a global manufacturing network through Stratasys. So thanks a lot for meeting the team at R&D Technologies. We hope you enjoyed the virtual tour. Hope you can join us in person at some point. We look forward to potentially doing some work with you in the future. Thanks a lot, everybody.